I know I ain't supposed to really put these in the washer, but I do. So bear with me while I show you what I do. I have these net things. You put in net thing. Put in washer. Tide Pod. Washer. These things. Scent boost things. Sprinkle some. That's what that looks like. Okay. Extra light. Cold. Delicate. One rinse. Auto sense. Okay. This is my G2B, whatever it is, whatever that brand is. I forgot. I also wash my Underworks binder on cold, even though the tag says warm. Nothing's ever happened to it. But that's what I also do for my Underworks, but it doesn't need wash because I just washed it a couple of days ago and I haven't worn it yet. But this binder's a little stinky and it has deodorant stains on it. So this is what I do. Also, I am going to put it in the dryer for about 10 minutes to dry it. Only because I do want it a little tighter. You put them in the dryer, they will shrink a little bit, and it does help if your binder has started to stretch some.